Good morning. It is Friday, February the 6th. Let's start off with a 5-day chart on the S&P futures. We had a peak on Tuesday, at least of this 5-day period. We pulled back, we went lower, we went significantly lower. We're trying to rally now here on Friday. I'm not sure if we'll be able to hold it or not. You can see we've worked our way back up to potential resistance from 2 previous days. So we'll see if we can hold it. I'm not really confident that we will. So why are we having such a hard time? Well, there's a lot of negative news out there right now. There's a lot of layoffs happening. There is some bad unemployment numbers. To include, it appears as though there's a lot less job openings. So we're going into a situation where we have a lot more people looking for a job and fewer jobs out there to find. This, of course, is magnified and blown out of proportion by our friends in the media. On top of that, a tremendous quantity of money is being poured into AI. So much so that we're beginning to be concerned, will we make all that money back? We've also had some high-profile companies give some less than stellar earnings, most recently and notably Amazon. Well, let's look back at our S&P futures again. This time I've got up 1 day at a time for a full year. Now, we have had a pullback, a little bit more significant than our previous pullback. Not quite as significant as we saw back here in October and November. About the same as we had here. Markets just open. About the same as we had here, but this was a little more scary given the size of it in 1 day. Not anywhere near as big as what we saw with tariffs. We still have Greenland out there. We still have a lot of turmoil politically. We've got a new Fed chairman who appears to be more hawkish, actually. If he does give us a raise cut, it's probably going to be accompanied by a reversal of some of our quantitative easing. So there's plenty to worry about out there, but I still think that overall we're going to end up with a positive year. In fact, I think it's going to be an above average bullish year. That is still my forecast. But I think we're going to see a tremendous amount of volatility. I still think we're going to see a lot more of excitement concerning Greenland. So we'll see how it all plays out. Good luck out there.